DMW, the video streaming app. Download now.
ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಟು English if it's okay. Raghu sir and Hari sir, when they were speaking a lot of Kannada. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಭಯ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇತನ ವೊಕ್ಯಾಬ್ಲರಿ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ತಮಿಳ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್, ತೆಲುಗು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್, little Hindi also will squeeze in. So please excuse me and forgive me. This is a very important dais to be sitting on for me to mess around trying to impress you speaking in Kannada. So I will try to be as credible as all these judges and gentlemen sitting on the stage by speaking in English. I am basically here to congratulate Rajesh Krishna sir, Hari Krishna sir and Raghu Dikshit sir for taking on this mantle and furthering the legacy of Edathumbe Haduvenu. It was Namma Tandeyavare brainchild. When it was initially started by ETV, they did Paduta Tiyaga in Andhra, then United Andhra. Mr. Ramoji Rao insisted that Dad do such a show in Telugu, and it was very good success there, and they wanted to bring it to Karnataka also, and that is how Edathumbe Haduvenu started. Basically the same concept of what he was doing in Telugu, they brought it here. The only difference being is the sincerity with which Dad approached Edathumbe Haduvenu was, I felt a little more than what it was in Telugu, because you all know the kind of affection and love that he has towards Karnataka and the people of Karnataka, and he loved being a part of Edathumbe Haduvenu. I remember Param sir actually coming home and having a conversation with Dad a few years ago regarding taking Edathumbe Haduvenu further again. It was quite a dilemma for Dad, because somehow when ETV stopped existence, it was quite disheartening for him that a program which was very close to him ceased to exist. But when Param sir had come, he was quite conflicted whether to take it further or not, because younger lot, Param sir being the next generation, and it's a new network, it's a new how do I put it, the thought process of the channel is entirely different than what it used to be before. So he was like, and at that time I had approached Dad to do something in Tamil, because a lot of Tamilians were also asking. Appa has not been in Tamil television for quite a while. So, but he had eventually decided that he was going to do Edathumbe Haduvenu. I think it around 2017, 2018, and then a lot had happened, and he couldn't take it further. But I'm really grateful for Colors for doing this. We as a family we were quite excited and elated that the legacy is continuing here in Karnataka with Edathumbe Haduvenu. And who else but the best of them, taking the responsibility to take Edathumbe Haduvenu, Raghu Dikshit sir, Rajesh and Hari Krishna sir. I think it brings a lot of credibility to the program, and I think the network did a very good call on selecting these three to judge the musicians. Our dad was, it was more like a one-man show. He was anchoring, he was judging, he was correcting the singers, the children, the contestants rather, and he loved doing it so much. Param sir wanted me to talk about my relationship with father as a son and all of that. I've never had that because he was always either in Hyderabad or in Bangalore. He used to visit Chennai to visit us. He had no other place to go. Then he says, okay, I have 2 days. I'll come home, I'll rest for a little while and then come back to Bangalore. Because he had so much of work here, he had so much of friends here. I actually used to be jealous of Rajesh because he used to call him the elder son, and I don't know how old you are. And he used to tell me that I went to his house. There's a huge picture of him and I, a lion and cub. If I'm not wrong. So I used to be quite, how come all of these people get to be with dad and I don't get the opportunity. But he was more than happy to be that, and we were willing to sit back and watch S.P. Balasubramaniam be what he used to be, what he is or he was. He was an entirely different person when he's on stage, when he's with children, when there is music around him, and that's how Edatumbe Haadu and Paduda Thiyega had come about. And we are quite elated that the channel, the network is taking this further, and I cannot thank them enough. I'm really excited. I'm only here to congratulate them and wish them luck for this endeavor, and I hope occasionally I will come and visit them at sets and learn some Kannada. Thank you.
SS TV ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.